welcome to the channel. We are doing a full face of cream products today. This is wonderful, except for, you know, the lashes, obviously. Before we get into this little video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. And make sure to like the button down below if you like these in my content and if you want to see more like these. Let's get into it. I decided to put these hoops for the first time and they are killing me. I feel like my ear is literally gonna split in half. Anyways, we need to put something on our faces because we look kind of crazy right now. So I put already some sunscreen. I'm trying this out because I found this at the Dollar Tree. So I paid this $1.25, Neutrogena clear face sunscreen, and it won't cause breakouts. I did try another one. Anyways, I'm gonna talk about more sunscreen later on. It's not mineral sunscreen, but still, like, a girl want to save $1. We're gonna jump straight into the makeup tutorial because we need this. So the only thing that's not gonna be cream product, as you saw in the title, it's gonna be like the primer and the mascara and the lashes, basically. So I'm gonna go with the water jelly from Huda Beauty just because we're gonna go with her foundation after that, and it's just, you know, the best that I could possibly put on my skin. And the reason why I'm so excited to be doing this is because I love cream products. It is my favorite consistency formula ever. But nice. I just realized that this and this does not fit, but we're gonna keep it at that. Before we get into face, I decided from now on that I would do my eyes and my eyebrows first. And we're gonna stay in the cream products. It's more like a cream consistency, so it counts. So we're gonna go into the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I didn't go into that in a while, actually, but let's hope I can open it and just... So I'm just gonna go like and do some fluff strokes just so my eyebrows look very natural. I love me a good natural moment. So the brow, it looks like more filled in. It looks a little bit more cute and not too much. Just want it a little bit more filled in, a little bit more creamy, beautiful. And we go the other side so you can see something. We're gonna go with the primer, and I'm gonna go with this 24-hour photo finish shadow primer, and this looks literally like a cream, so we're gonna go in it. And the reason why it's very thick and it has a creamy consistency, so that's why I'm using it. I'm like, this is like a cream and it blends like a dream. Girl, we want this to be equal. And if there's like anything more, usually I go put the rest on my nose because my nose sometimes it becomes quite oily, so I put the rest on my nose. And I'm telling you guys, it works so much. If you have like an eyeshadow primer and you have a problem with your nose or some places that are really oily, eyeshadow primers are just the best for the nose. It works. Like, my nose makeup just looks so much better when I do that. That's why I use this primer, because I put a little bit on my eyes and then the rest goes on my nose. And I have like a pimple on my eye, which is super annoying right now, and it was like kind of like an ingrown hair. It was so painful. I removed the hair from it and it's been there for like a month, and I'm just like, I don't know what to do with it. If you have any like suggestions on how to get rid of like these eyelid pimples, please tell me down below, because I don't know what to do anymore. Like, these are just there. They're just there. They don't want to go anywhere else. So we're gonna go jump into the eye products. I'm gonna go with the same color as I usually do. Temper from Orc Cosmetics. This is a smoke reflect eyeshadow, and I'm using the cream part since we're doing a full face of cream makeup. Dip in the product and straight on the eyes. We're gonna do a little sheen of beautifulness on the eyes. Start at the lashes, so all of this is covered, and then blend our way up. Next eye, it's that simple, literally. Like, cream products are just so easy to use, like, it's insane. Especially eyeshadows. It's like, if you didn't try cream eyeshadows before, you definitely have to jump on the trend right now, because you can use it as a base. You can do a lot of things with cream eyeshadows, which it's so yummy. And this I have kind of like green left from the other day. Eyeshadow is placed. Oh my god. This is just a Sheena color, like I told you guys. And we're going to fix it with cream highlighter later on when I'm doing my face, which we're going to do right now. I love the complexion because it's something that is so important to me, especially with my acne and anything that I have to cover really. So we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna go with the Huda Beauty Full Filter Stick Foundation. This is a bit light for me, but we're gonna fix it with a cream bronzer that we just bought not too long ago. So let's go for this foundation. And I'm using a thick layer. I'm not shy with the product. Everything must be covered. And I look like a zombie right now. Girl, we need to fix this ASAP. And another trick, if you have a hard time to blend like the foundation or anything, just put some setting spray or, you know, a spray on top. And then it's just gonna make sure that the foundation doesn't dry out on your skin and get settled. Sometimes it settles because you want it to settle after, but not too early. So the setting spray is definitely gonna help. Hi, we are a ghost tonight, and we are ghost tonight, and this foundation is too light tonight. And I also removed my earrings because they were hurting so much. I don't know, maybe it's because they're not gold or anything, but it's painful. It is painful. Oh my god, so loud. Excuse the grass cutting that's happening right now. Okay, so you must be like, what is she looking at? Oh my god, I look at the little screen right here from the camera and I look crazy at the moment. Like, it does not suit me at all. What I couldn't not get out the door like that. And oh my god, so loud, sorry. I would scare people away. Like, I'm scaring myself away. So anyways, we need to fix that with some cream bronzer. We're gonna go with the cream bronzer, the newest from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I do have a review on that and all the lineup. So if ever, it's gonna be listed down below if you wanna go check it out. But we're gonna be using this today because we don't wanna look like a ghost. And we kind of want to warm up the foundation a bit because it's kind of like light a bit. Excuse my shade matching skills online. Already I can see the life coming back into my face. Oh my god, that was so bad. Excuse. So much better. Oh my god, so much better. We've got some bronzer on the face, all cream products, something not too crazy because we've got to go into the cream blush. So I'm gonna mix the Hourglass and the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush because these are both beautiful and I like to like mix and match blushes just to have more blush. So we're gonna start with the most intense blush that we have, which is, you know, the Hourglass one. Then I'm gonna go straight on top with the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick blush in the shade Pink Dahlia. I feel like this combination will just be amazing, so we're gonna try it. We never have enough blush because I'm gonna be putting some highlight after that, and usually I have to go back and forth with the blush, so I might as well just put a lot and then just, you know, blend it out. So, and you know, like I put the blush, the cream blush, and I blended it out with the cream eyeshadow, so there was more, like it was more kind of like blended, and it would go from like this color to the pink blush, so it looks more and more blended. There's no like harsh line anymore. You know, like go all the way, and I just go straight into it. Looks so much better that way. It's like a packer brush, and it just blends everything out so much easier. And I take the bronzer blush, I go where the bronzer was. Here I go around, and then I take the other brush where I have some, you know, foundation on, and then I go all around just to make sure everything is blended because I really don't want any like harsh lines, nothing. So I feel like this is pretty good, and we're going for something very intense for the blush, so it's gonna be super cute. And then now we need the highlight. Again, the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick highlighter, and we're gonna put that everywhere on my face. Like, we need to highlight this face even though it's all cream product. All right, highlight here at the top of the brow. And then I'll add more if ever I need more. It's just I prefer to blend first and then add more after that, just because, you know, we need everything blended to have a smooth skin and application. And I noticed with these cream products from Anastasia that my skin looks so much smoother and the acne doesn't appear as much. So that's why like I'm really not shy with these products, even though it's like more shiny. Sometimes, depending on the formulation, it just blurs out all of the imperfection. And this one is really, really good at doing that. It's super, super pretty. And already, as you can see, my blush kind of like disappeared a little bit. So that's why I put a lot. I might have to put a bit more. We'll see. We'll see. And then it's time to take this little brush and then apply the cream highlighter under the brow bone, in the inner corner, anywhere where I want to highlight. So then there's more of a unity there. Since we're using cream products, I cannot go into powder highlighter. It is a no-no for today, even though I really want to. We're gonna stick with light and cream products. My lips are kind of bare, so we're gonna go with the lip primer from MAC Cosmetics, Lip Prep Plus Prime. So very gently, because I broke it. And I was trying to look for a cream lip pencil. So this is the most cream that I have, because I know that the other ones are kind of like a gel-like. And this one is from Marcel, it's from the drugstore. And I feel like it's a very like thick, it's not a gel consistency. It's more thick than that. So I feel like this one would just really work. And it's not saying cream, gel, anything. So I'm assuming it is. And I'm going to go into the color Soft Core from Pat McGrath. Let's go in it. And then lashes. Lashes, because we're kind of bare right now. I feel like I want to try to put my false lashes right away without any mascara. So we're going to do that and we'll see if it looks good or if it looks stupid. And then lashes are placed. I know it's not cream products, but... Can you imagine? Can you believe this is only cream products? I didn't set nothing and it looks absolutely amazing. And on top of that, I didn't put any mascara at my bottom lashes because it's all gonna smudge because I didn't set anything, and I don't want this to smudge. So false lashes is always a go-to when using cream products, so I don't have to wear any mascara whatsoever and I just look amazing. Alright, so that is the makeup for today. Let me put that back just for, you know, the end of the video. Then I'll just change them because these are so heavy. Can I? Ouch. I honestly don't know how you guys do it. Like, these are so, I don't know how heavy they are, but they're so heavy. I feel like it's splitting my hole in half and my ear is just about to rip off on like this, and like this, both sides. So anyways, that is the makeup for today, a full face of cream products. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you liked this little makeup tutorial on all cream products, make sure to like the video and to share it with your friends and to comment down below as well which product was your favorite. If you have a favorite cream products, please tell me down below. I would love to know. And also make sure to subscribe for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.